The Australian Graduate School of Engineering, the AGSE, was established by the Faculty of Engineering here at UNSW in order to offer continuing professional development to engineers working in industry in Australia and potentially internationally. Engineers that have their university degree, they've been out working in industry for some period of time, but are looking for opportunities to gain new skills, to upskill, to move into different areas.
And in order to be able to do that, engineers need to be able to work in a multidisciplinary environment. This work at the AGSE is going to be so helpful because it's going to allow engineers to have exposure to the business school, to the courses that they teach, as well as the technical aspects that will be part of an engineering standard course.
And you'll meet civil engineers, you'll meet landscape architects, you'll meet traffic signal people. It's a whole range of different skills that are going to come together. And meeting those people is connections for life. It's an opportunity to choose a variety of subjects. You can mix and match, you can go in depth in one topic, you can go broad with a range of topics, basically to suit your own professional needs.
Any participant coming to study a course at the AGSE will not only get the benefit of the expertise and the depth that we bring from the University of New South Wales Faculty of Engineering, but we also have linkages within industry to bring those voices into these courses. So anybody doing a short course at the AGSE will also be able to get that cutting edge industry view and that industry person's expertise within the course to be able to take their knowledge forward as well.
This is an opportunity for the AGSE to provide those skills, to provide the training that's needed to deliver the opportunities for engineers to drive the change that is needed as we move forward in Australia.